Jason.
What?
There's something dead in your fridge, rotting. We have to discover what it is. So someone volunteer to smell everything. Jason, I think, is immune. Oh. Oh man. Oh, that's awful. The whole room smells now.
Oh, I think I got it.
Oh.
What is it? Ooh, it's this. The broccoli.
Oh god.
It's the broccoli.
Put it in a trash bag and
Fuck. Alright, just drop it.
Oh my lord, that's smelly.
And you know what else?
This happened in Milwaukee.
what is that?
I don't know. Are you still
Oh
filming?
my gosh, it smells horrible.
What is this? Wait.
Rotting fruit.
I'm trying not to pass out.
Dump half a container of baking soda in that drawer now.
I will.
Alright, I'm gonna stop filming so we can actually... Oh, okay. Okay. It's sick, Jason. It's literally sickening.